Hello, this is BatCAT demonstration. Here we have our mixing machine and we have our temperature sensor. We have our actuator here. It can turn off and on our mixing machine. Now we are starting the process. Temperature data are sent to our edge node PC that sends data to our digital twin. Okay, so now the temperature is increasing inside the mixing machine. Here we are at BRX pilot plant. The increasing temperature is being sent to our edge PC here in the lab, and the data are sent to in the scale where there is our digital twin. The digital twin tells the actuator to turn off the machine once it reaches the threshold temperature. Since the temperature is increasing, the machine is approaching the threshold temperature. Since the machine approached the threshold temperature, the digital twin told the switch over there to shut off the machine. This is the end of our demonstration. We collected data online during the process, temperature data from the mixing machine. We sent to our edge PC and then to the digital twin in the scale, and we demonstrated that using data from the machine, the digital twin turned off the machine once it reached the threshold temperature. Thank you for assisting to this demonstration.